So how can you make a photo fit into the Instagram profile picture? Well, let me show you how it works and let me explain what you're going to do about it. So of course, you can open up your Instagram profile, tap on your edit right there, and you can edit your profile picture. So you can of course either import it from the gallery or take a photo if you want to, right? But you can choose it like this and you can see that it gets pointed into a circle like that, right? So you can import any of your images and you will see what exactly gets fit or what exactly fits into the circle, and that's what's going to be visible when you actually publish it, right? So it's actually a good idea to make sure that your photos are cropped properly, that it actually fits, but you can also just zoom it in and you have like a nice little way to preview it before you actually publish the profile picture on your official profile, right? So you can use it for all of your photos. You can zoom it out if it allows you to do that, right? But if not, you can also just zoom it in. But the most important part is that you position it directly into the square and also into the circle, so you will know specifically how exactly it shows up on your profile. So you can fit it like that and just make sure to pay attention to the border of the circle, and that's how you're gonna do this. So in case of any questions regarding this, let me know about it below in the comments. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.